Zamalek 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Now this has to be one of my worst days ever. I went to the Loftus Stadium to hate watch Mamelodi Sundowns, and they won the game comfortable. Orlando Pirates on the other side completely destroyed Marumo Gallants 3-0. And then I'm like, okay, you know what? Um, Let me believe in my team. Yeah, I believe my team will seal qualification. They will get at least a point because that's all we needed in this game. And then this happened. We are out of the CAF Confederations Cup. We are out in all cup competitions, mate. All of them. Yeah, we are now only left with the Betway Premiership. Otherwise, it's going to be a trophyless season. Something which we are now used to, mate. We are used to going trophyless. Yeah, coming into the game, I didn't expect us to go out there and play some beautiful football to dominate the game and all that. I just needed us to be stable defensively. I didn't want us. I was not interested in our attacking play, in how we keep the ball and all that stuff. I just wanted us to be solid defensively, and we've been solid defensively this season. But then when it mattered, we conceded 2 goals in the second half in quick succession. Both goals from transition, yes, but our defense should have done better there. Pasekamako nowhere to be found in both goals, and they both came from his side. Given Simango in the first goal, slow in tracking back. It was criminal defending. That was criminal defending. And then we get a goal immediately after they scored the second goal. I'm like, okay, now this is where we turn the tables. Now this is where the game changes. Zamalek were dominating the game. Now we've scored 1 goal. We've got 1 goal back. We need to go out there and go and get another one. I was expecting us, to be all over them, press them, create chances, make them defend, make them panic. We did nothing after that goal. Absolutely nothing. Even that goal came from absolutely nothing. Yeah. Even after that, I thought the goal was going to give us confidence. Nothing. Nothing. We created nothing. In that second half, the only shot, yeah, we took was after that goal. The only shot we took was the one from Fundo Villagazi. Only a team that needs a goal to qualify. Yeah, we can't even get shots. I'm not even talking about shots on target. A shot make the goalkeeper work. Uh, mate, I don't know. Yeah, I don't want to blame the coaches for this. I think it will be unfair. Theirs was to go out there and try to get a draw. And credit to them, they didn't play 5 defenders and all that. But what I wanted to see after we conceded the second goal, or in the last 10 minutes when the score was 2-1, like, just sacrifice one defender. Given Simon was feeling something in his hamstring, take him off, bring him to Tuzi Shabalala. Let's play with a back three. It's fine. We have nothing to lose. But instead, yeah, they were cautious. They didn't want to concede more goals. Of course, we didn't want to concede more goals because that was going to, was not going to help us. As much as we needed a goal, we couldn't concede. We couldn't concede. The game was supposed to end in a draw. But just take the risk, mate. Take the risk. Put in Tutuzi Shabalala. George Matlow gave us absolutely nothing. I don't know why he started. Yeah, I don't want to go in too hard on him because he's just returned from an injury. I don't know why they would start him in a game of this magnitude. I thought this game suited Tutuzi Shabalala really, really good because we're going to play on the break. Tutuzi Shabalala is good when carrying the ball and has options on the left, on the right, and can make that final pass. But then, once again, criminal selection. So we are out of the CAF Confederations Cup. All focus is now on the Betway Premiership. And I'll say it again, I don't think we are going to win the league. Um, but yeah, that's where our focus is. We are in the title race mathematically. So yeah, let's see what happens. Uh, yeah, it's a tough one. It's a tough one. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Smash a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.